Alright guys, today I got this Jeep Wrangler here. If you have a Jeep and it's overheating, I want you to check a few things, okay? This is just a little educational video. I get a lot of cars with common problems, okay? So first of all, you need to figure out what's going on with this Jeep, okay? This Jeep is not so easy to work on. As you can see, everything is just covered, okay? But 99% of the time I get cars with either leaking radiator, leaking water pump, okay? So if you're getting a leak, as you can see, if you're getting a leak right down there in the center, so it's pretty much in the center right here, that's gonna be most likely your water pump is leaking. But check out your hoses, okay? And also, if you haven't flushed your antifreeze, if you want to avoid this type of thing, just do yourself a favor and do the whole car industry a favor. All right, once you reach 60,000 miles, flush your antifreeze. Okay, when you flush your antifreeze, make sure your car is nice and cold whenever you're doing whatever I'm showing here. Okay, make sure it's nice and cold or you'll burn yourself, okay? Because they'll have pressure in there. As you can see, I have antifreeze coming out, but that's normal. So I want you to take a look at your radiator cap, okay? Your radiator cap, if it's bad, it's gonna, this thing is very important, okay? It's very important, or your car or your Jeep will overheat. Check your antifreeze. If it's low, add it. That is a must do, okay? And replace your radiator cap. 60,000 miles, flush your antifreeze, replace your radiator cap. If your water pump is leaking, you should also be replacing your water pump at 60, 70, 80,000 miles. Okay, one thing that you always want to do is replace your thermostat. So here's a Jeep thermostat here. So that would be one of the common problems. You see this one's leaking, okay? It was leaking right around the neck. All right, so this thermostat was leaking. It had to go anyway, but sometimes Jeeps and Dodge, if you change anything and your heat doesn't work or your car still overheats, because you didn't bleed it. Also, bleed your antifreeze, okay? There's a bleeder valve right there. And another thing you want to do is, once you check this point and you don't have leak, you did flush it every 60,000 miles, change your thermostat, change your radiator cap. This is $5 only, maybe $10 max if you go to the dealer. And after that, you have no leaks, start the Jeep up, start your car up, let it run. And if there's no heating up issues anymore, you're good. All right. And if it's still overheating, pay attention to your fan. Your fan should come on once your temperature reaches halfway. And also, there's relays for the fan, there's modules, and that's going too far. But anyways, I hope this video helps you. Those are just 3-4 checkpoints you want to do if your car or Jeep is overheating. Top of your antifreeze, #1, and check for leaks in any of the cooling system.